Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and it's time to tell time with the new Google Pixel Watch 3, and thankfully this year they came out with two different sizes, so a larger model this year. They did send me the larger one at 45 millimeters. I'll compare it to a smaller one a little bit later on, but there's also an updated design, a new display, a bigger battery, and a lot more that comes with this watch. So we're gonna take a quick look what comes inside the box, then of course get some hands-on and on the wrist with the new Pixel Watch 3. Let's get started. Here's the new Pixel Watch 3 from Google in that larger 45 millimeter size. Also make note, it is with Fitbit, which Google owns, by the way. Sliding this out, let's take a look what we get in the box. Two sides, first side is that, the other side is this. You get your standard booklets, getting started guide. Google sent over our Hazel Active band, which you'll notice comes in 3 pieces. The main piece plus 2 different size bands depending on what size wrist you have. Finally in the box is our actual watch face. We also have our 4-pin charger, which does have magnets built into it so it will align on the correct pins. We have our 4-pin charger, which will align specifically with the watch. However, there are magnets, I can feel them, so it will help you align the watch when you need to set it down on the charger. You'll notice I'm holding it upside down, but it's not falling off because there are those magnets. This connector is via USB Type-C. A lot of hazel. The case even is the matte hazel color, which is going to go perfectly with the Pixel 9 Pro right here, which is also in that hazel color. On the bottom of the watch is a lot of information, including IP68 rating, 50 meters of water resistance, ultra wideband, sleep tracking, and just other features. It's just nice to kind of see that down at the bottom. You probably will never see it overall. Along the right side, we've got a microphone and a dial that has a button, plus another button up towards the top. These are all the connectors for our bands and a little speaker. All right, let's get our bands installed. I'm going to try the smaller one and see if that works. This is the quick release button in case you need to remove the band, but should be really simple. Just pop it in there, slide it over, you hear a little click, and it's locked into place. Super simple. Same thing with our top piece. Push it in, slide it over. We are all set up and ready to go. Now, I'm gonna boot this up for the first time, and let's get this on our wrist and see if this fits. Moment of truth, and looks like I can go maybe to the second notch in with the smaller band, which would mean I'm probably around the midway point of the longer band if I had to guess. That's actually super comfortable, and I don't have a lot of excess bands going into this part. Nice little chime lets us know we are ready to grab our phone and get our watch set up. Grabbing our Pixel 9 Pro Fold, let's get it connected to the new Pixel Watch. Connecting to our watch, but look at this little subtle animation. I like those little Easter eggs. You have to let Google know what specific orientation the watch is in and where the crown placement is. Setup process, super easy. Just get our account signed in and connected to the Fitbit app as well. Of note, the app allows you to completely customize your watch face, your tiles, and a lot of different settings. You can customize this on the watch itself, but in the app, there's font size tilt to wake and touch to wake as well. Just a quick and easy way to manage the tiles that you're using, and going into watch faces, a quick swap. So if I actually select this, use on watch, it will switch it right away. Well, navigation basics, yes. So here it is, all set up and ready to go. This watch looks really good. I'm a big fan of the style overall. The Pixel Watch 3 uses Google's new Actua displays and actually has 16% less bezel and 40% more screen. It's a lot brighter and gets up to 2,000 nits, which is very welcome, especially when you're outside running or using your watch while you're working out. And on the 45 millimeter model, you get a 35% bigger battery, so I expect battery life to be a little bit better on the larger model. Forgot to mention it, but with this charger, you actually get 20% faster charging as well. That's a nice upgrade. Just wanted to do a quick side-by-side comparison. This is actually the original Pixel Watch, but wanted to show off the difference in sizes because there is a pretty significant difference between the small and the large. And as a quick comparison, here it is with the small watch and putting on the bigger watch then. So you'll notice a bit of a difference on my wrist. Really happy they included a 45mm option because the smaller one just didn't quite fit my wrist right. Anyways, I hope you can tell that I matched this shirt pretty well with my band. Two buttons on the side. First of all, the side button will get to your recent apps, and then the home button will actually go back home, just that middle button. But that crown does a good job at your scrolling. Did you know you can even take a screenshot, press both the buttons at the same time, and you've just got a little circle screenshot? Not only will it bring you back to the watch face, but if you press it again, it will take you to your app drawer. I love the haptics on this. It's just so subtle. It feels really good on the wrist and makes it feel very premium. In case you don't like the app icons, you can just go with a complete list with the words next to it. Otherwise, if you really recognize a lot of these, you can just stick with the icons. Pressing and holding will bring up your option to completely change your watch face on the fly, and swiping over will get you to those tiles, steps, heart rate, quick start of a specific workout, sleep tracking. Ooh, I gotta let Martha know it's her birthday today. These all can be completely customized, like I said, in settings. Swiping down from the top is where you can go into those watch settings, display gestures. So you don't actually have to use the app to use those. Just for fun, let's do a quick heart rate test. You'll see that does go through Fitbit. It already has a range for my beats per minute. This watch face is live tracking my heart rate. You'll see 73 to 74, and if I tap on it, it gives me a range for today and a lot of other information. There's a lot of nice fitness enhancements as well when selecting different types of workouts. There are a lot of them. Let's make sure it has the most important one. There it is. So they do have golf as a workout, but you'll see all kinds: Pilates, powerlifting, run, skating, skiing, snowboarding, all different types of workouts to choose from. And you can even select multiple within one workout. So maybe you're going on a bike and then a quick weight lift, then you can select them both. Selecting our Fitbit icon will get you to just an overview of your day, how many floors, the distance, calories burned, your active zone, your heart rate, resting heart rate, and sleep data as well. So a ton of different information that I'll need to do some testing on. So anyways, that's it for me for now on the brand new Pixel Watch 3. More to come, so be sure to click that subscribe button. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.